critics have blamed the demographic crisis on war and economic instability, but Ivanov says social media addiction is the real issue. Meanwhile, other pro-Kremlin figures have suggested paid leave for couples to go away somewhere, spend some time together and conceive, and even taxing the childless more because they obviously have more income to spend. So if you have a kid, they'll tax you less. With the Russian Orthodox Church supporting penalties for men who don't father any children. So hierdie is nogal drastiese maatreëls wat nou moontlik in plek gesit gaan word om seker te maak dat Russiese mense meer babas maak. So dink julle daai 3 ure tydperk
Ja, dit is so mooi gesê daai.
11 uur en 2.
Daai Russiese mense. It's get hot, baby.
Nee.
Conceiving vouchers.
I want you to turn off your phone.
Put off phone.
Dink
Put
julle
down the phone.
Julle
Olga,
dink julle dit is
this is not because of war. It's because of social media. Bring vodka, put off. Don't put off Putin. He's still our president.
right, Elsa, I think you are in the mood for a serious conversation. People are having fewer children globally. It's a thing, like especially like kind of younger millennials, Gen Z's. Dit is te duur om kinders te hê. It's really so expensive. En daar's baie mense wat daarmee nie sal saamstem nie, dat dit nie moenie vir my kyk nie, dat dit nie eintlik te doen het met finansies nie, maar dit het.